Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to become a writer for Talabat. Now, for you to become a writer for Talabat, first thing I'd like to show you is how to create an account on Talabat. All right, so how do you download Talabat in first? You can get Talabat on Google Play Store or Apple Store, depending on the device that you use. Launch any of these applications, locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Talabat. Then follow through with the on-screen instructions to install, and after installing the application, it's going to take you right into the sign up page where you're going to be prompted to log in using an existing account or to create an entirely new account. Whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you right into the Talabat homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in Talabat. Now, how can you become a writer for Talabat? Launch on the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, you're going to need to type how to become a writer for Talabat. Now click on that. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to this page where you will see the website for becoming the website that will allow you to become a writer. And that is it. This website with the https://writer qtr.talabat.com. So click that. Here is the website. Now this is where you need to sign in. So enter your city and vehicle, create your profile. So enter your city here and choose your vehicle. And once you choose your vehicle, go ahead and click on submit. Now once you click on submit, Talabat is going to give you the next step or show you the next instructions that you can take to become a writer on Talabat. So these are the things that you need to know if you want to read more, read additional perks, everything that you need to learn to become a writer on Talabat. So once you're done reading that, head over here, select your city, choose your vehicle, and click submit, and Talabat will get back to you. So this is how you can become a writer for Talabat. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.